Hey Lexi, let's talk about greatest common factor. There are two ways that I like to do greatest common factor. I'm going to show you both ways because I don't know which way your teacher taught you. And then you do whichever way your teacher taught you because that's how you're going to get full credit on your assignments, okay? This, I think is your first problem on your homework. 6 and 28, I think. The best I could tell. Two ways to do it. The first, factor trees. Have you done factor trees? I hope you've done factor trees. Where you put your number at the top and you see what can it be factored into. Well, 6 is 3 times 2. 3 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Hey, that one's done. And we'll do 28 over here. 28, that can be factored into, well, that's 2 times 14, right? 2 is a prime number. 14 can be factored into 2 times 7. 2 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Right? Have you done factor trees? If so, then this is probably the way your teacher wants you to do it. You make your factor trees, and then you look what numbers, what circled factors are on both trees. Well, they both have a 2, and that's it. So the greatest common factor is 2. Well, that wasn't very exciting. Let's do the next one. 16 and 24. 16, as we all know, is 2 times 8, right? And 2 is a prime number. And 8 is 2 times 4. And 2 is a prime number. And 4 is 2 times 2. And 2 is a prime number. So 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 24 is, let's do it as 3 times 8, shall we? 3 is a prime number. 8 is 2 times 4. 2 is a prime number. 4 is 2 times 2. Trying to hold my phone at the bakery while I do this. So 24 is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. What do they both have? Well, they both have a 2. And they both have another 2. And they both have another 2. And that's it, because this guy has a 3 and this guy has a 2. If I multiply those together, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Their greatest common factor is 8. Okay? The other way to do greatest common factors, if you have done factor trees in class, do it with factor trees. If we're doing 6 and 28, the other way, and it's much longer, but if you like math, it's lots of fun. You do your 6, and you list all the factors of 6. 6 is 6 times 1, and it's 2 times 3, and it's 3 times 2. 28 is 1 times 28, and it's 2 times 14, and it's not 3 times anything, or 4 times anything, or 5 times anything, or 6 times anything. That's about it. But it is 4 times 7. Oh, there it is. 4 times something. Okay? And then the biggest number in both the factor trees, or both the factor lists, is 2. Similarly, for 16 and 24, if I were to list all the factors for 16, 16 is 1 times 16, and it is 2 times 8, and it's not 3 times anything, but it's 4 times 4. 24 is 1 times 24, and it is 2 times 12, and it is 3 times 8, and it is 4 times 6. 6. And then it's 6 times 4, and that's all the factors. The biggest number in both lists is 8. If you get stuck, you can do it the list way. I am betting your teacher has taught you factor trees. If not, you can make the big old list. This takes longer. This is Cooler Math. Does that help, Dove?